Welcome back to Learning American English. We are happy you are here and would like to invite you to subscribe to our podcast so you can best benefit from our weekly educational episodes for English learners. Each of our episodes focus on a specific practical topic that you will encounter in real American life. Okay, here we go. American food culture. American food is a rich reflection of the country's diverse immigrant history, regional geography, and extraordinary cultural creativity. From Texan barbecue to New England seafood, from New York pizza to California farm-to-table dining, exploring American food culture is both delicious and deeply socially rewarding. Part 1 Vocabulary 10 Key Words. 1. Barbecue, barbecue. A cooking method using slow heat over wood or charcoal, also a social gathering around grilled food. The neighborhood held a huge barbecue to celebrate Independence Day. 2. Comfort food. Simple, filling food that provides a sense of warmth, nostalgia, and emotional satisfaction. Mac and cheese is a quintessential American comfort food enjoyed by all ages. 3. Potluck. A shared meal where each guest brings a dish to contribute to the communal table. The office potluck featured dishes from 12 different cultural traditions. 4. Brunch. A late morning meal that combines elements of both breakfast and lunch, usually eaten socially. Sunday brunch with close friends is a beloved American social ritual. 5. Farm to table. A food movement emphasizing ingredients sourced directly from local farms. The farm-to-table restaurant changed its menu daily based on what was freshest from local farms. 6. Portion size. The amount of food served in a single serving at a restaurant or meal. American restaurant portion sizes are famously large compared to most other countries. 7. Food truck. A mobile vehicle that prepares and sells food directly to customers on the street. A popular taco food truck parked outside the office and drew a long line at lunchtime. Drive-through. A restaurant service where customers order and receive food without leaving their car. She picked up her morning coffee at the drive-thru on the way to work. 9. Cuisine. A style or tradition of cooking, especially one associated with a specific culture or region. New York City offers access to an extraordinary variety of world cuisines. 10. Dietary restriction. A limitation on the food someone eats due to health, allergy, religion, or personal choice. She mentioned her nut allergy as a dietary restriction when the host asked about food needs. Part 2 Dialogue. At a potluck dinner. Dana. Welcome. I'm so glad you could come. What did you bring? May. I made a traditional Chinese dish. It's called mapo tofu. I hope that's okay. Dana. That sounds amazing. We love trying new dishes at these potlucks. Everyone brought something different today. May. I noticed there's so much food here. A casserole, something with jalapenos, and that huge pie. Dana. That's a Texas chili, a Midwest green bean casserole, and my grandmother's apple pie. May. American food is so wonderfully regional. Back home food is more standardized. Dana. That's one of my favorite things about America. Every region and every family has its own traditions. Please help yourself to everything. May. Thank you. And please try the mapo tofu while it's still warm. Part 3 Guidance Article. Exploring American Food Culture. American food culture is far more complex and diverse than its fast food reputation suggests. While McDonald's, Burger King, and Pizza Hut are globally recognized American symbols, they represent only a small corner of a vast, regionally varied, and increasingly sophisticated culinary landscape. American cuisine is deeply regional. In Texas, barbecue means beef brisket smoked for hours over pecan or oak wood. In the Carolinas, barbecue is pulled pork with a tangy vinegar-based sauce. New England is famous for clam chowder, lobster rolls, and fresh oysters. The Southwest blends Mexican and Native American influences in dishes featuring chiles, beans, and corn. The Pacific Northwest is known for salmon, craft beer, and farm-to-table dining. America's immigrant history has made its cities extraordinary food destinations. Nearly every major city offers authentic cuisines from around the world: Ethiopian, Thai, Vietnamese, Korean, Indian, Lebanese, Peruvian, and more, often in entire neighborhoods dedicated to a particular cuisine. Food is central to American social life. Backyard barbecues, Thanksgiving dinners, office potlucks, and tailgate gatherings all revolve around shared food. Bringing a dish to share, offering to host a meal, or simply sharing a recipe are powerful acts of social generosity in American culture. Dietary preferences and allergies are taken seriously. It is completely normal and accepted to explain dietary restrictions to hosts or servers. Most American restaurants accommodate requests readily. Part 4 3 Real-Life Tips and Strategies. Tip 1. Do not judge American cuisine by fast food alone. Seek out regional American cooking, visit a real Texas barbecue restaurant, find a classic New England seafood shack, eat at a Southern soul food restaurant, or try authentic New Orleans Cajun food. The depth and quality of American regional cuisine is genuinely impressive and worth exploring. Tip 2. Potlucks are a perfect opportunity to share your culture through food. When invited to a shared meal event, bringing a dish from your home culture is an excellent conversation starter and a beautiful act of cultural sharing. Americans are generally curious, enthusiastic, and deeply appreciative when guests share their culinary heritage. Tip 3. Learn American portion culture. Restaurant portions in the U.S. are often large enough for 2 meals. Taking leftovers home in a to-go box is completely normal and even expected. If you are managing a budget, sharing an entree with a dining partner is also a widely accepted practice. We hope you've enjoyed this episode of Learning American English and would greatly appreciate it if you would take a moment right now, if you haven't already done so, to subscribe to our weekly podcast episodes. Until next time.